to Miami. We're starting a new adventure today. We're going to hang out in Miami for today. We just checked into the Hilton Blue Lagoon. It's nice. We've got a nice king one-bedroom suite here, and I'm going to give you a room tour of that in a minute. And just going to kind of hang out here today, and then tomorrow get on a cruise ship. So looking forward to that very much. Over to a nearby shopping center, and we're going to have dinner here tonight at Cuban. It's a Cuban restaurant. We've gotten a couple of beers, some margaritas, and I have ordered a Cuban sandwich. Vanessa's ordered a steak sandwich, and they look very, very good. Wow, look at that! Look at that Cuban sandwich. Ooh, nice. And then she got a steak sandwich, and we have more beer coming. So we're having a good old time. Our first Oasis class ship, Oasis of the Seas. Here we go. Wow. That's ginormous. All right, ready for stateroom tour. Voila. We have a lot of room in here for interior stateroom. Very nice. Wow. Impressed. The largest interior stateroom we've stayed in. And bathroom is nice. Huh. Very nice. This is crazy that this is on a cruise ship.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm at Opryland Hotel. Alright, after dinner we've come to get a drink before we go back up to the room, and we're on a neat contraption called the Rising Tide Bar, and it's a bar in the middle of the ship that goes from deck 5 to deck 8. Gives you a nice view of the promenade. Pretty cool. Alright, we've made it to a perfect day at CocoCay and heading to our beach chairs and getting on some jet skis. Hopefully that ends well. We'll see. Well, we're at the tropical island paradise of CocoCay, and it's coming to flood. So we're huddled up under our umbrella, and it's raining pretty hard now. Yep, it's coming down. Oh, we just saw a shark on the beach too, by the way. It was a lemon shark. It ate 4 kids.
It was in the water, not on the beach.
Oh yeah, in the water. This is the boardwalk area. It's supposed to be like Coney Island. This is actually outside. It's on the back of the ship. They have a Playmaker sports bar here. They have a Sugar Shack, sweets and so forth. Johnny Rockets, huge slide that goes from the 16th deck down to the 8th deck. See, this is not like a cruise ship. And then back here is the Aqua Theater where they do aqua shows. back come.
But there's no need, so that's